Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today I'll be performing a shag on my client here. I start off by draping him with the neck strip, and then I'm gonna go ahead and damp the hair to prep it to use my shear over comb technique to reach his desired length. So I'm gonna go ahead and damp the hair, make sure I comb it through to make sure all of the hair is wet and everything is even, so I can have a smooth balance while I'm trimming the hair. So I'm gonna start off in the front. He wants to take at least half of it off, so we're gonna do piece by piece, and then I'm gonna go all the way on the right side and then balance it out on the left, and then go in between the middle to make sure everything is evenly cut. A lot of shear work, man. You see how I'm balancing out with the comb. I'm putting it right in between my thumb as well as I grip the hair with my index finger and my middle finger. As you can see, I'm gonna be rotating him so you can see the technique. I do have more hoodies on the way. I have already sold out of all of them. I have a couple more shirts left. So just DM me on Instagram. There go the technique right there. So that was a quick glimpse of it. Just showing you how I balance out the clip over comb. He wants to go a little bit shorter, so we're gonna go ahead and get that situated for him. He actually said he was in a shag contest, man, where other people would try to have the best shag and whoever wins, wins. He came in second place. He said his hair was a little bit longer though. So now I'm just making sure everything is even, and then I'm gonna continue with the fade on both sides and line them up. We got it to his desired length up top, and then now we're about to start blending on the sides. I was just confirming with him, everything looks smooth. I'm gonna start off lever fully closed. You see how I put the first guideline in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go lever all the way open, piece by piece. You can slowly see the blend transition. It's just the angle I was at. I wasn't able to fully catch the haircut like that because I was in the process of packing to get into my own suite. So I had a lot of things everywhere. So that was my area where I was able to kind of record, balance it out. See the blend slowly transitioning. Look at that, real smooth. So now we're gonna blend that little area at the top, because you know how fast his hair normally grows. So now I'm about to work on the other side after I get his beard and stuff situated. Just lining them up, balancing everything out. First guideline, as you can see, get that out the way. Then I'm gonna go lever all the way open. Very smooth transition. I was definitely excited to record this type of haircut. I always wanted to do a shag on video. As you see, I'm balancing everything out. Making sure I'm flicking out. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj or bjs.cuts with 2 Z's for my business page. Let's lock in, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Look how I'm putting it all together. Finna finish blending and lining him up, and everything will be nice and smooth. More content on the way, man. Y'all see my charger out there. Got my QR code and everything. Just like that, man.